Hey guys, in this video let me share you how to reset this newly launched Noisebuds Vector TWS earbuds. If you are facing any connection related problem, only left or right earbuds only pairing means, well, in this video let me share you how to solve that type of issues. So firstly, if you are already connected your Noisebuds Vector in any of your smartphone, laptop or any PC means, firstly go and unpair it from your Bluetooth settings. So now after unpaired, place both the buds into the case, charging case, and close the case door and make sure your case have enough battery. And after that, now just open the case door. Now in the bottom you can see a setup key here. You have to just press and hold this setup key for 7 seconds continuously. So now I am going to do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. As you've seen, white light actually blinks for 4 times. This is the success indication for the reset completion. Now after the reset completed, now just close the case door one time. Now again open the case door and wait for few seconds. Now in your Bluetooth settings you can see the Noisebuds Vector. Just click to pair and that's it. Now your Noisebuds Vector is again connected back, and by default it connected with the LDAC codec only, so because it's supported with the LDAC audio codec. So now in this way, if you are facing any connection related issue means, by resetting your Noisebuds Vector your problem will be sorted out mostly. So until your earbuds not having any hardware issue, you not dropped your earbuds anywhere else means, surely your problem will be, your connection problem will be sorted out by doing this reset process. Well, that's it about this video guys. Hopefully if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.